Today, we are visiting a sugarcane field where the crop has already been harvested. But the work here is not finished. This is where smart farming begins. After harvesting sugarcane, many farmers leave the land unused for weeks. But here, organic fertilizer is being applied immediately on the same field. This natural fertilizer is brought by tractor and spread directly on the cut sugarcane area. The goal is simple: rebuild soil strength and prepare the land for faster regrowth. Organic fertilizer improves soil structure, increases microbial life, and helps retain moisture. This allows sugarcane to regrow healthier, stronger, and in less time. Instead of relying on expensive chemical inputs, farmers reduce costs while improving long-term soil health. Faster regrowth means earlier harvest, better yield, and more income with less expense. This is sustainable farming, using nature to improve productivity, not damage it. This method helps the crop grow faster and much healthier. Farmers can save the cost of replowing the land again. There is no need for extra tillage, heavy machinery, or expensive chemical fertilizers like DAP or urea. By using organic fertilizer on the same field, the crop regrows naturally and strongly. This reduces production costs and increases overall profit. Healthy soil, lower expenses, and better income. This is smart and sustainable farming. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more real farming insights.